Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Gemini. We'll go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Gemini app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Gemini app. If you find update here, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.